Hey, y'all just get out here. I know y'all haven't seen Cass for a while. I know I've been making a lot of videos, but not with him. It's just been doing what it's doing right now. It's been raining. It just won't stop raining. Or again, we have one day, no rain. It's just been raining every single day. I'm tired of it. And trying to keep him out of mud. So that's where he's been, and that's where I've been from outside. So me and him got outside, but there's not really much to do with him when it's muddy. Trying to keep him out of mud. So yeah, I guess get out here and talk to y'all a little.